Hey everyone! Today, I want to share with you an amazing travel organizer Notion template that could be used for your next trips. This template has made my travel planning so much easier and more organized, and I'm excited to show you how it works. The template consists of several databases that work together to help you plan your trip from start to finish. The first database is a traveler's database, where you can keep track of all the travelers in your group. This is useful if you're traveling with family or friends, and you want to make sure everyone is on the same page. The second database is the countries database, where you will find information about the countries you plan to visit. This includes things like visa requirements, currency exchange rates, and any other relevant information you need to know before you go. The third database is a places and activities database, where you can keep track of all the places you want to visit and the activities you want to do. This can include things like museums, restaurants, and hiking trails. You can even add expenses for this place to track and fits your travel budget. The fourth database is a travel journal database, where you can record your experiences and memories from your trip. This is a great way to look back on your travels and remember all the fun things you did. The fifth database is an itinerary database, where you can plan out your daily activities and schedule. This can include things like flight or more. The sixth database is a bookings database, where you can track all your bookings accommodation. This is useful if you need to make changes or cancellations to your bookings, or if you want to keep track of your expenses. Finally, the seventh database is a finance database, where you can keep track of all your expenses. This includes things like transportation, accommodation, food, and any other expenses you incur during your trip. All of these databases work together on the Travel Planner page, which is the main hub of the template. This page allows you to see everything at a glance and easily navigate between the different databases. Overall, this travel organizer Notion template is an amazing tool for anyone who loves to travel and wants to stay organized. Whether you're planning a big trip or just a weekend getaway, this template can help you keep everything in one place and make your travel planning a breeze. Let's embark on a fictional journey. First, ensure that the pre-configured page is set as the default in your database. Click the blue arrow at the top right corner of the database and set the page as default. Now, every time you create a new trip, the page content will be updated automatically. Repeat this step for each database. Once your databases are set up, click the New button in the Travel Planner and rename it with your trip's name. In this example, we'll name it New York. Picture this, a 2-week trip to New York next summer. Click the appropriate property to add your departure date, and check the end date option to include a return date. For the country, choose the USA. You can either scroll down the list or start typing the country's name before selecting it. Choose a traveler from the existing list or create a new one by typing their name. Then, click on the name to open the traveler's page, where you can input their personal information, such as birth date, nationality, place of birth, national ID number, and passport expiration date. Indicate if the traveler is fully vaccinated, and provide their blood type and contact details. You can also embed additional documents, which could be useful in emergencies, such as a stolen passport or hospitalization abroad. Next, add your trip's budget by clicking on the selection below the title section, where you can enter the desired amount. Create a new accommodation by adding a page in the corresponding database. Rename the accommodation, upload pictures, and rate it on a 1 to 5 star scale. Input your bookings cost by clicking New beneath the Booking Transactions section. Plan your itinerary by clicking New in the designated area. Input your starting location, transportation mode, check-in, and check-out times. Open the page to embed your tickets and their cost. Add as many places to visit as you'd like. Click New, rename the entry with the location, and upload a picture. Rate the place and enter related transactions by clicking New below the Booking Transactions section. Finally, capture your memories in a travel journal. Click New to create an entry, add a title and tags, and write about your day. Upload pictures by clicking the Embed block to access your personal files. Enjoy your unforgettable journey,